Hi, I'm Dawn and this is where Shabby meets Bling.
If you watch my channel, you know I love gardening and I love lights. And I've always had lights out in my outdoor entertaining area. The problem with that though is the weather, especially bad storms, falling limbs, and so on. And then I end up with this. Broken bulbs, snapped lines, and it is just a mess. The bulbs that I have had out here have been glass, and so you can see the problem. Even the occasional thrown rock, many hazards, some natural and some self-made, but I think it's time to upgrade. So I'm upgrading to Ollny lights, LED outdoor patio lights. They kindly sent me 2 sets of lights, and I fell in love with them so much, I even bought 2 sets myself. Let's take a look. These are the S14 100-foot LED outdoor string lights. There are 30 bulbs per strand with 3 spare wicks. These little guys, these are the wicks per 100-foot strand. The very attractive Edison-style bulbs unscrew easily in case you do need to change out one of those wicks. And these lights can be connected end to end, allowing 12 strands of lights to be connected. That's a whole lot of lights. These lights have a built-in hanging rung above each socket, so you can hang them from your roof line if you choose, but that's not what I'm going to be doing. You can see here that I've run cable through that hanging rung. This will ensure even extra stability for these already extremely sturdy cords. These lights are waterproof with an IP65 rating and can withstand wind, rain, sun, and extreme temperatures. They are also made of durable plastic and are shatterproof. So this situation becomes a thing of the past. No more broken bulbs, no more broken wire. These are the totally inadequate brackets that I had my lights hanging from. I'm upgrading there as well with these far more substantial ones. I will be painting the brown ones black so it coordinates beautifully. This will be the junction point for my lights. This is where they will all stem from, and I will have 5 strands of lights total coming from this point, fanned out evenly. I will be attaching the brackets to this tree, this tree, this tree, this tree, and finally this tree. So we will have 5 fanned out strands of lights over what was and is going to be again my fire pit entertaining area. We're gonna get these lights hung and then we're gonna take a look. Now when I walk out to this part of my yard, this is what I'm greeted with. These beautiful hanging LED lights from Ollny. I am so pleased with them. They're simply gorgeous. No more broken bulbs, no more snapped wires. Now I am confident every time I come out into this part of my yard and flip that switch and turn those lights on, I'm greeted with this beautiful illumination of my beautiful gardens. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share it with your family and friends and anyone that loves gardening and outdoor decor. Leave me a comment. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. But for now, this is Dawn with Shabby Meets Bling. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.